Hello students, I am Aman Sharma. Today we are going to start a fresh topic, coordinate geometry. So before I start the chapter, please make sure that you all have subscribed to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So coordinate geometry. So first point is coordinate axis. We all are aware what are coordinate axis. So the two perpendicular line, this is known as x-axis and this is y-axis. So these lines are mutually perpendicular and this whole is known as coordinate plane and these are coordinate axes. The next is dependent and independent variable. Okay, that is a easy topic. For example, y equal to 2x plus or minus 6. Now if I change the value of x, the value of y will be also changed. For example, if x is 0, then y is minus 6. If x is 1, 3 ones are 3, and what will be the value of y? Minus 3. So value of y is depending on value of x. That means value जो y की है वो किस पे डिपेंड कर रही है? x की वैल्यू पे. So here x is independent variable and y is dependent variable because when I change the value of x, the value of y is also changed. So value of y depends on value of x. So this is y is dependent on the value of x. So x is independent variable, y is dependent variable. So this is what we have to find in the first question. So x and y, which is dependent and which is independent. So here again y, the value of y depends upon value of x. So y is dependent variable x independent variable. Here value of x depends upon value of y, so y is independent variable, x dependent variable. Here again x dependent variable, y independent variable. First question, last part. Again here y is dependent variable, x is independent variable. Okay, this was quite easy. Next is your ordered pair. So ordered pair is you have to use small brackets, comma, and for example 2, 3 or minus 3, 6. So these are known as ordered pair. So here this is the value of x-axis and this is the value of y-axis. This is x-axis, first one is your x-axis, second one is your y. Okay, so this is how we write the coordinates of a point. Okay, when I will draw on the graph or using this line, then it will be clear, but this is just how to write ordered pair. So one number, then comma, then another number. Next is Cartesian plane. I have already told you this is the x-axis, y-axis, and this complete plane is known as Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. Next, coordinates of a point. For example, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. This point 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Same way minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So these are positive and these two are negative. Now coordinates of a point. For example, our point is somewhat here. Here x-axis is 3, y-axis is 2. So how to write the coordinate of this particular point A? इसके coordinates कैसे लिखेंगे? So these coordinates are 3, 2. So first we will write the x-axis के coordinate, the coordinates of x-axis, and then we will write the corresponding coordinates of y-axis. A के यहाँ से एक perpendicular draw किया y-axis पे, जो भी ये y-axis पे point है, that is the coordinate of y-axis. This is the ordered pair. So whenever it is written, we know that the 3 is corresponding to x-axis and 2 is corresponding to y-axis. Same way if point is this, here x is 1, y is 3. So this point B must be equal to 1, 3. So this is 1, this is 3. Same way point here, this is -3, -3. First point for the x-axis, sorry, this is x-axis, and second for the y-axis. Next is quadrants and sign convention. So just make the y-axis and draw x-axis and y-axis. This is your first quadrant, this is your second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. This line is positive, this is also positive, so this quadrant x-axis and y-axis are positive. In the second quadrant, x-axis is negative, this is also negative, but y-axis is positive, so this is negative, positive. In the third, both are negative, negative, negative. In the fourth, y is negative but x is positive, positive, negative. First, second, third, fourth quadrants. So this is the sign conventions. So if point lies in the first quadrant, the both points are positive, and if in the second quadrant, then x is negative and y is positive. In the third quadrant, both are negative. In fourth, x is positive and y is negative. Okay, this is the quadrant and sign convention. So whatever we have understood here, the important is this thing only, that how to plot a point. Very important and very easy indeed. Just you find the numbers on the x-axis first. For example, any point is here 1, 2. This is second number on x-axis, and this 1 on this. So this point will be 2, 1. Okay. Now we will try to plot some points. Okay, you all are having graph books with you. In the middle of graph paper, mark 2 lines like this. This is your x, this is your x dash, this is your origin O, this is your y point, and this is y dash. Okay, then एक box छोड़ के leave one box, then write 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can write up to 5 and 6 also. So 5, 5. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have to plot a point A, that is 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here this is 4 and 1, 2. Just do the perpendiculars. So this is our required point A, 4, 2. So you know how to draw now. This is 4, just count the number 4 here on x-axis and number 2 on y-axis. Then draw the perpendiculars where they meet. This is the required point A. Now we have to draw point B minus 5 comma 3. On x-axis this point is minus 5, and y-axis this is a positive 1 2 3. So this will be the point. This is minus 5 comma 3. Point name is B. Minus 4 comma minus 5. X-axis minus 4, y-axis minus 5. So this will be the required 5. Minus 5 minus 4. When you draw on a graph paper, so no need to draw a line here, just you can directly write the point C minus 4 comma minus 5. Then D is 5 comma minus 2. This is 5, this is minus 2. 5 comma minus 2. This is how you plot the points. This is on this point both x-axis and y-axis are 0, so this point is known as origin and coordinates 0 comma 0. This is your x-axis. On x-axis your y coordinate is always 0. On the y-axis your x is always 0. If I talk about this point, इसके coordinates क्या होंगे 0 comma 4. This particular point के इस point के 0 comma 2, because x तो 0 ही है, y is 2, x is 0, y is 4. This point 0 comma minus 3. Now on x-axis this is minus 3. Minus 3 we will write first, comma 0. Y is 0. 1 is here, minus 1 is here, here it is 0. Same way if I talk about this point, 3 comma 0. So on x-axis y is always 0, on y-axis x is always 0. Okay, one more thing. So the coordinates of point. So we were talking about this point, suppose this was 3 comma 2. So this length starting from origin to 3 is known as abscissa, and corresponding to y-axis this is known as ordinate. So this length is known as ordinate. So here abscissa is 3, ordinate is 2. For any point, for example point is 1 comma 2, so length of abscissa is 1, ordinate is 2. Abscissa is 1 and ordinate is 2. So x-axis के corresponding क्या होता है abscissa, y-axis के corresponding ordinate. First question we have done. The second question, question is just a plotting. You have to plot few points on the graph paper. So this is your homework. How to plot a number, that is very easy. 8 comma 7, 3 comma 6. So these are just simple numbers. So make sure that in your graph 8 points must be there. You can make 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 like this. So 8 must be in this line, and in this line 8 and 7 must be there. So आपने ग्राफ की एडजस्टमेंट इस तरह से करनी है कि 8 आपका इंक्लूड हो. The number 8 must be included in your x-axis and in the y-axis. The next third question, very easy question. There are ordered pair given and we have to calculate the value of x and y. Ordered pair means this term is equal to 4, this term is equal to 4. So x minus 1 is equal to 4, so x is equal to 5. Same way y plus 3 is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 minus 3, 1. This one when moved that on that side, 4 plus 1, 5. Very easy I guess. Same way 3x plus 1 equal to 9, 2y minus 7 equal to minus 9. 3x plus 1 is equal to 9. So 3x, 9 minus 1, x is equal to 8 by 3. 2 by 3. 2y minus 7 is equal to minus 9. 2y is equal to minus 9 plus 7, that is minus 2. Y is equal to minus 1. Okay, this is your third part. So 5x minus 3y is equal to 4. Y minus 3x is equal to minus 4. So now there are two variables in single equation. So from here we can calculate the value of y is equal to minus 4. This will become positive 3x. So if this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Put value of y in equation 1 here. So 5x minus 3, y is minus 4 plus 3x is equal to 4. From here we can calculate the value of x. 5x minus into minus plus 12 minus 9x equal to 4. 5x minus 9x minus 4x. 12 will change into minus 12 and we will take it to the that side of equal to. So this is minus 8 upon minus 4, which is equal to 2. Now what is y? Y is equal to minus 4 plus 3x. So put the value of x here. Minus 4 plus 3 into 2, 6, which is equal to 2. Y is also equal to 2. So x and y both are equal to 2. X and y both equal to 2. Next, question number 4. Use the graph given alongside to find the coordinates of the point satisfying the given condition. Abscissa is 2, ordinate is 2. Okay. So first we will see the graph. So this is the graph. X-axis, y-axis. So some points are there: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. These are the points. So this is given. Abscissa is 2, ordinate is 0, ordinate is 0. So that is the length. So 0 means abscissa means 2, that is this length. Okay. So what we will do, we will first find the coordinate of these all points. For example, coordinates of A is 2, 2. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 0. Same way C minus 4, 3. So just write the coordinates of the all points here. A is 2, 2. B 5, 0. C minus 4, 3. This you can find by yourself also. D 2, minus 4. E 6, 3. Okay, these are the coordinates of all points. f minus 4 minus 3, g 5 comma minus 3, h 5 comma 5, I 4 comma 4. So after finding these coordinates, so now we can solve the given question very easily. First is abscissa is 2. Abscissa means x-axis. So here it is 2, here it is also 2, and nowhere else. So A and D. So when is abscissa 2? The points are A 2 comma 2 and D 2 comma minus 4. In these 2 points, abscissa is 2. Next is ordinate is 0. So ordinate means y-axis. So this is here 0. So next answer is point B, that is 5 comma 0. Next is ordinate is 3. Here it is 3, here it is also 3. C and E. So that is C minus 4 comma 3 and E 6 comma 3. Ordinate is minus 4, that is y-axis minus 4. Only this point is there, D 2 comma minus 4. Then abscissa is 5, x-axis 5 here, here, here. So 3 points are there, B 5 comma 0, then G 5 comma minus 3, then H 5 comma 5. Then next, abscissa is equal to the ordinate. Abscissa and ordinate, so here both are equal, here and here. So that is A 2 comma 2, H 5 comma 5, and point I, that is 4 comma 4. Next, ordinate is half to the abscissa. So ordinate half होना चाहिए, यानी x axis half. So this is a point. यहाँ पे y axis क्या है 3, x axis 6. So ordinate क्या है half. We will check any other no any other point. So E is the point where ordinate is half the abscissa. Okay. So this is how you have to solve. Just first we have write the ordered pair of all the points, then according to the given condition just check the points. Question number 5th is true false, so that is your homework, and further the next question we will start in the next video. Till then, watch the video, write in your notebooks, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.